whenever you're trying to pursue a woman, okay, kunwari yun, pag sinabi mong nag-hint ka that you are na interested ka sa kanya, test will always come. Okay, lagi kanyang ititest. Hindi mo na to matatanggal sa kanila. They will test how weak are you going to be for her. Kung gaano ka kung hanggang saan yung strength mo, ayan, strength. Kung hanggang saan yung magiging strength mo. If makita niya that you will go weak for her validation, you will go weak for her attention, tipong you need to chase her, you need to beg for her, okay, you need to prove yourself for her, then wala kang strength. Ibig sabihin, nakatali sa kanya yung confidence mo, yung self-worth mo, that you don't have anything's going right for you na kailangan mo pa siya para maging masaya. So, hindi mo na ito matatanggal sa kanila. They will test kung gaano kalakas yung armor mo. They will always check gaano ba kalakas ba tong lalaking to. Gaano ba siya ka-weak. Pag weak siya, pass. And you cannot control this test. Okay? They are biologically programmed to test you. Kailangan mo tanggapin yon. Natural selection. They will only choose the strongest option within their network, within their vicinity. Okay, within their level, kung asan man sila, within their environment. The strongest option. They're looking for the strongest option. We are wired to procreate. So, in order for us to procreate, para ma-survive yung species natin, human, mammal, kung sino lang yung pinaka-strongest. Di ba? Survival of the fittest. Sino yung strongest option for them? And they are biologically wired to test that one, to look for their strongest mate. The moment that na tanggapin mo na you cannot control her feelings, dun ka lang magkakaroon ng chance with women. Kasi pilit mong kinokontrol yung feelings nila. Dapat magustuhan nila ako. Dapat ito yung mga bagay na nagugustuhan nila. Bakit ang daming babaeng tanga sa pag-ibig? Dapat ito, dapat yan. Okay? You cannot control her feelings. Women will do whatever she feels. So instead of being bitter, instead of being a sad boy, with that one, ibaling mo dito yung focus mo. Kasi if you cannot control her, what you can control is your actions. That is the only thing that you can control, your actions. So the moment you control your actions, dun ka na makakita ng improvement. Okay? Wala ka na sa victim. Wala ka na sa victim mindset. Kasi ganito. Kasi ganyan. Aantayin mo pang magbago yung mga babae bago ka magkaroon ng resulta sa sarili mo. Where kaya mo naman magkaroon ng resulta agad if you can control your own actions. If ikaw na yung nasa steering wheel, hindi mo na sila aantayin magbago.